today we are actually going to take a stab at cleaning out this front compartment on our camper. A reason being, these things are known to hold a lot of moisture in them, and I don't even know if I said that word correctly, but here we are. And it stinks, and we know it leaks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it all out really well, see what we can do to get it so it doesn't leak or anything anymore, and hopefully we'll have a nice, not super smelly front compartment anymore, because we use it for like, those are obviously bag chairs, but we also have like our crank in there. We have our flagpole, we have our hitch for the camper, what's that? Sway bar, that like a lot of stuff that we don't want to get rusty or bad or anything. So we're just gonna pull everything out, which Jordan's starting to do already. Clean it out really good and then figure out where we're gonna go from there. There's after cleaning it out. Just getting the stuff out of it. That's the garbage pile of stuff that's ruined. Siding for the canopy, which also looks moldy, so might have to get a new one anyway, and stuff for keeping. This is our beautiful rotted board.
Got a little wet.
Which was in the middle here. How awesome is totally awesome?
It's pretty awesome, actually. Definitely camper approved. That's the side going underneath the camper. That's got to be sealed really well. That's the new board. Then we install after we paint. Then we paint everything again.
So Jordan is masking the top of the box because we're going to paint it and we don't want to get it up there. But I just vacuumed it out again. And that's what it looks like before. Not exactly the prettiest, but gonna look it after, right?
Yeah.
This is one of those waterproof boxes that we put like our important things in. So Jordan picked this up and it has like the hitch and the sway bar and everything in it. Just because he did notice that it was still kind of like condensating at the top. So right here in the middle.
Yep, and it drips down.
Just wanted to make sure that we didn't ruin or get anything rusty that we actually use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.